to 2-minute stories.
The story title is about
The Windy Day. Once there was a nice boy named Paddy. He was a natural lover. He loved fresh air, so he always kept his window open, whether it was summers or winters. Suddenly he heard the wind blowing. One day it was too windy. One gust of wind blew right through Paddy's window, blowing everything over the wind. The wind was so powerful that it blew Paddy and scooped him up and spun him round and round till he was quite dizzy. When Paddy looked out of the window, he screamed and ran away out of his house. Now you knew why he ran away. He saw the tree shaking hard with a strong cracking sound. He thanked God he got survived. Paddy told his parents, "I'm alive, thanks God, I'm alive, but I lost the house." Thank you for watching 2-minute stories.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
See you in another video.
Bye.
Bye.